Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on this video if you find it entertaining or helpful. And if you are a fan of receiving the latest information on credit cards, points and miles, travel, money, and everything in between delivered in a fun, fast-paced format, then watch as the subscribe button picks up the gigantic notification bell and body slams it to win the heavyweight championship. Hey, one quick thing as well. If any of you are on TikTok or you watch TikTok, guess what? Yours truly is going to be on there very soon. You can find me at Brandon Boyd Show. On TikTok, I'll be putting out a lot of quick hitter tips, tricks, and information along with some fun content along the way that should be enjoyable and informative for everybody. I doubt that I'll be doing any dances. If I do, you'll know that something is very, very wrong with me because that's not something that I do. Today's episode is going to be a lot of fun as I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the American Express Business Gold Card. If you're familiar with the channel, you'll know about a week or so ago, I did a video letting you watch me apply for this particular card, and I'll link that down in the description below. This is my second American Express Business Gold card, and the reason I'm able to get a second card and get a second welcome offer is because there is no lifetime language in the offer terms when you click on the terms and conditions. These offers are often targeted, and in this particular case, the reason I wanted to snag this one was because it was offering 90,000 membership rewards as a sign-up bonus if I spent $10,000 in the first 3 months. 90,000 points is quite a bit. If you go to the public-facing site right now, you're looking at 70,000 membership rewards as a sign-up offer. So this was one I really couldn't pass up, and for a $295 annual fee, it seemed like a really good fit for my wallet. To the people that watch this channel very often, you know I get really excited about doing unboxings, and this case is no different. I think we just get down to it. Let's go. All right, it's time to get down to the unboxing. I say I just let it go, let it go. I can't hold it back anymore. My credit wasn't frozen, so I was able to apply for this card and get it, and I'm ready to see it right now. I want my delivery person right now to come deliver this. Geez, that was loud. God, I always get so nervous when I hear a knock. Should I go investigate? I don't know. I'm going to hold my hand out and hope that my delivery person gets this to me. I don't feel it yet. Oh, wait a minute. This isn't scary at all. It's Olaf. Olaf, let it go. Let it go. All right, that's the level of production you get on this show. I hope you appreciate it. All right, so I've got the envelope here, and right off the bat, this one doesn't feel like it has a super thick box in it. If you recall, on my American Express Platinum and Business Platinum cards, the boxes were a lot thicker, and they came in these express envelopes, stuff like that, and this one doesn't. Flat out doesn't do it, so we'll see what this looks like. And again, this is my second Amex Business Gold card. And it's just a really thick envelope. Let's see what's inside the envelope, shall we? All right, let's pull this out. First things first, card member agreement, part 2 of 2. Wow. Anybody still read a newspaper? This is what that feels like, and it's kind of crinkly. This would be good to start your charcoal grill with, so don't throw it away. Keep this. This is really good paper for that. Summary of additional benefits. Yeah. Okay, I'll take a look at that later, I suppose. American Express privacy notice. Privacy, sure. Everything's private these days. I'm glad they send the paper to let you know that it's private. Here's what I was looking for. This is really important. Card member agreement, part 1 of 2. So there you go. It also tells me that my pay over time limit is $15,000 on this card, for what it's worth. All right, now to the star of the show here. I can feel the card here. American Express, the card that comes with tools to help you manage your cash flow, is here. See what it looks like? Interesting. Some just general first impressions. This card has some good weight to it. The color on it is very gold, which isn't surprising, right? This is the Amex Business Gold card. But I mean, it's like straight up yellow gold. It is yellow. As far as iconic looks, the gold card definitely has that. The other iconic look I think American Express goes for is the green card. You know, that's one that everybody thinks of. But I would say the gold card may be next, or it may be first for that matter. When it comes to fitting this card in your wallet, I would say thickness-wise, it should fit in very easily.
That's what she said.
So it should accommodate all wallets, I would think. This is a nice card. It's got a good feel to it. And overall impressive look for the American Express Business Gold card. I hope you enjoyed that absolutely ridiculous unboxing, but now let's talk about some of the benefits of the card. And you know from watching this channel, I'm a big fan of the personal gold card as well, and you can see my videos on that. That'll be down in the description below. But we use that card mostly for dining. However, this business gold card has a lot of great benefits as well. There's not a huge long laundry list of benefits, but they are benefits that are important to me, and I think if you're a business owner especially, this will be a great fit for your small business. First things first, the most noticeable benefit that business owners will see is that you'll get 4 times points on your 2 top spending categories if they are in the following categories. And I'll run through that list real quick. That is airfare purchased directly from airlines, U.S. purchases for advertising and select media, that's online TV and radio, U.S. purchases at gas stations, U.S. purchases made directly from select technology providers or computer, hardware, software, and cloud solutions, restaurant and dining, and shipping purchases as well. So every billing cycle, whatever your 2 top spending categories are, within that category list that I just mentioned, you'll get 4 times points on that. So you can see where this could really benefit you if you fall into one of those spend categories. Another really nice feature, especially if you do a lot of traveling, is that if you book travel through American Express Travel and you use membership rewards, you can earn a 25% point bonus. Here's how all that works. Basically, you pick your preferred airline. So let's say that's Delta Airlines, for example. Now you can book through Amex Travel, use your membership rewards. Let's say your flight's 20,000 membership rewards. By using the American Express Business Gold Card, you will get 5,000 of those membership rewards back because that's 25% of 20,000. So keep that in mind. You do have to have the entire amount up front, but you will receive it back in a few weeks. I've even seen it as quick as like a week or 2. But this is a great benefit, especially if you do a lot of air travel. The 25% bonus is great. It's not as high as the Business Platinum card that has the 35% bonus, but still, I mean, 25%, 35%, anytime that you can get membership rewards back, that is a win in my book. Outside of the 4X bonus categories, you do only get 1 times points on everything else, so keep that in mind. And there are other benefits like extended warranties and purchase protection. This card has 0 foreign transaction fees and also has the pay over time option, meaning that any purchases that are over $100, they will allow you to pay over time up to your pay over time limit. In my case with this card, it's up to $15,000. I'm not going to do that. I pay my stuff off every single month. But if that's something that's helpful to you, just know that this card will allow you to do that. If you're trying to evaluate the Business Gold Card, you really just need to decide if those 4X categories are going to be a good fit for you and if the 25% airline bonus is a good fit for your needs. Also keep in mind the welcome offers as well. I got 90,000 membership rewards. I've seen other offers floating out for 80,000. If you go to the public facing site right now, it's 70,000 membership rewards. So just be aware that if you see the 70,000, there may be better offers out there somewhere else. Overall, I'm a fan of the American Express Business Gold Card. I like the welcome offer. I like the benefits. And for a $295 annual fee, it doesn't break the bank by any means, especially when compared to the American Express Business Platinum Card. So just keep that in mind. See if it's worth getting the Business Platinum Card. Is it worth spending the extra money for that annual fee to go up to the Platinum Card? That's completely up to you. Let me know down in the comments. Do you think this is a good welcome offer? Do you find benefit in the Amex Business Gold Card? And what are your overall thoughts on using this card? Keep in mind we have a lot of new points and miles enthusiasts watching these videos, so any experience that you have personally with this card, share it down in the comments below. That way we can all see what you find useful, maybe what you don't find useful, and we'll all become better people for having listened to you, right? That's it. That's a wrap. Another unboxing video in the books. I absolutely love doing these. I hope you enjoyed them. If you found this video helpful or mildly entertaining, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notifications for alerts. And when you click on the Brandon Boyd Show, click, click, click. It's time to check in on everything related to credit cards, points and miles, money, finance, unboxings, Olaf, and everything in between. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. I'll see you soon.